Hello, this is a short video to find the books that are currently, or the records that are currently in processing. So we'll click on LS2 Catalog from the launch page, and we'll go up here to Advanced, and we'll pick Item Status. You'll leave the item status parameter alone, but select the drop-down menu and go to In Transit. Now, this drop-down menu has two in transits, but we want to select the first one, not the second one way down here, the In Transit for Hold. We want to be up here towards the top of the screen, and we want to select In Processing. Then we want to add another parameter, and we want to select our location. And it'll generate Jefferson and select Search. And this will show the items that are currently in processing. If we want to know more about the book, just select the barcode and it will give you information on the book. When it was purchased, how much it cost, and other information. Because this information here is not populated, I'm assuming that this item is an online item, and I will need to call to find out how that can be transferred from in processing into processed. So that's how you find your in-processing items. All right, I hope this helps. Have a great day.